Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Casey, and I hope that you enjoy where we go on this journey. Tell you a little bit about myself. I have suffered most of my life with chronic fatigue and chronic pain. Usually they stick me in the fibromyalgia category, which any of you out there with fibro know that's a hard diagnosis. And I found that for exercise, yoga is one of the best out there for this kind of condition. For me, a full hour-long practice is almost unattainable. Half an hour works better. The videos that I will post after this will be 5 minutes to 15 minutes long. And really, they're designed for anyone with mobility issues, anyone that just has a hard time getting up and moving around. That's part of why I'm starting with chair routines, is if you can sit in a chair, you can do this routine. I'm hoping to make this accessible for everyone, beginners, like I said, mobility issues, and anyone with time constraints. If you only have 5 minutes or 10 minutes to do a practice, I will certainly have those lengths available. And it will be a wide variety, anything from chair yoga to standing to floor routines. And I hope to make your life better. And I hope to be able to decrease pain and increase stamina, flexibility, and strength. All of the things that yoga is famous for accomplishing. So, that being said, I really hope you guys enjoy these videos. Of course, like and subscribe if you do. I hope you have a really good day, and after my routines, I hope you feel more stretched out and less stressed out. Namaste.